Hello again, folks, and I'm back with another video. Yay! Again, this time we're going to revisit both these guitars again, but I have actually now gotten the earth-wound strings on that are the exact same strings that are on the Harley Benton Delta Blues Mini Jumbo. Both guitars are tuned to regular E standard tuning. And so what I'm going to attempt to do here, one shot, raw, uncut, is I'm going to provide a sound sample from both instruments now. And again, pretty much same identical strings. Only difference is, again, the guitar size or format, and pretty much it. Just the guitar format and the differences between the two instruments. So, first up is again the Harley Benton Delta Blues MJCE, which is again mini jumbo for cutaway, laminated, fully laminated mahogany body, blackwood fretboard, 20 frets, and again the Ernie Ball extra light earth wood acoustic strings that are 10 through 50s. So the little tune that I've came up to play on both instruments, I will play through it 2 times on each, and then we'll go from there. Again, Robert Baker's favorite Dragonheart picks. This will be all picking, no finger picking. Screwed up on the end of it, but again, that's what raw and uncut means. So, this out of the way. And again, back to the Fender CD60CE Nat, which again, I'm believing that this guitar is a 2011. This is a cutaway dreadnought. And again, here we go. just a little bit extra. So, quick video. Try to keep it under 6 minutes here quickly. Can you hear the sound difference between the two instruments, and which would you prefer in its current setup? Let me know down in the comments, and of course, if you also liked the video, please let me know. Just also a further update, beware of the YouTube messing up subscriptions and notifications. It's going on right now. Take care. See you later on Ben's stream.